everyone in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Mozilla Thunderbird password in 2026. The exact steps depend on whether you want to change your email account password or remove a saved password from Thunderbird. So let's get started. If you want to change the actual password for your email account, you usually need to do that through your email provider's website first. Open the provider's account settings and update your password there. After changing the password, open Mozilla Thunderbird. When Thunderbird tries to connect to your email account, it may ask you to enter the new password. Enter the updated password and complete any required sign-in or verification steps. If you choose to save the password, Thunderbird can use it for future connections. If you simply want to remove an old saved password from Thunderbird, open the application settings and find the section for saved passwords or stored login information. Locate the account you want to update and remove the saved password. The next time Thunderbird connects to the email server, it should ask you to enter the current password again. Make sure you enter the correct password, because an incorrect password can prevent Thunderbird from sending or receiving messages. And that's how to update your Mozilla Thunderbird email password. Remember, changing the actual account password usually happens through your email provider, while Thunderbird stores the login information used to connect. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.